My name is Jamie Stotzka. I work for a company called Plantworks Limited. We're situated in Kent. We have two sites at Kent Science Park and East Malling Research. And we're manufacturers of microbial fertilizers. So we manufacture mycorrhizal fungi and plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. My role in the company is that I work as a science and project manager, so I manage the team in terms of the research that we do. So today I'll be talking about the products that we have started manufacturing that are aimed particularly at arable farming and arable crops. I'll be talking about how we suggest we implement this integration of our products into arable farming. And I'll also be looking at some specific case studies of farms that we have worked with and some research projects that we have done over the last year. So the types of products that we have developed over the last year are aimed specifically at different crop situations. So we have some products that are specifically for cover crops. We have some that are aimed at high-end vegetables. We have a product aimed at cereals, and then we also have a bacterial product that is specifically designed to be used with non-mycorrhizal crops such as brassicas and goosefoot family type of crops like fodder beet. So all of these products are designed to enhance microbial activity in the ground and therefore support a healthy plant growth, healthy microbiome not only in the soil but also supporting the plant in its natural the use of the resources that it has in the soil and in plant health. So there's a multitude of functions to be achieved, from yield increase to just healthier plant function. So in order to get these products into current farming practices, we have to consider a range of different factors, such as application of the product via seed drills, for example, and overcoming some of the technical problems there, as well as interactions with other techniques, such as application of chemicals like fungicides, and cultivation practices like tillage versus non-tillage. So we're looking at all of those factors and how we can integrate what we have into realistic farming systems. So we've got some case studies where we have had on-farm applications in split field trials, so in large-scale trials, and also in smaller, more scientifically set up trials that showed us with better statistical robustness what we could achieve. So the products are already being sold by Procam, and they are available, they are realistically usable, but at the moment there are just still a few issues where we would support the end user. So we have seen, when we have used the products in case studies, we have seen a range of benefits from yield increase to qualitative measures increasing. So for example, when we applied this to grasslands, we saw a yield increase in the grass yield over a period of time. We also saw an increase in quality parameters in fodder maize. So those are two very specific examples that we pulled out of trials, as well as an overall achievement of an enhancement of soil biology. So we've just seen the levels go up and up in the fields that we've treated. On cereals, we have set up some trials. We have just sown some winter cereals, some barley and wheat on a farm in Essex. That was using our products, but we will have to wait, obviously, for the results on that till next year. And we are planning quite a range of trials for next spring as well. We have found that often the spring crops benefit more than the winter crops. But so this is something to look forward to at the end of 2017. I think we should have more concrete results on cereals.